so pretty. You see why I got this? They're so cute! Oh my gosh! Before I head out to my bank, I'm gonna do a quick first impression on the package that I got yesterday, and it's from a brand called CandyLab. I actually discovered this brand. Oh my gosh. Kim! She just messaged me. So I'm like, Kim, I'll text you later. As I was saying, CandyLab is one of the growing brands that I've seen on Instagram. A lot of Korean Instagram celebrity has been using them and they've been taking photos. I guess it was sent to them to try out, and I really liked the packaging and I really wanted to know whether the products are actually really good or not. I got one set of the cushion and also their lip products, so let's open it up together. So it looks like that. Ooh, you guys are seeing it first. Okay, first thing you get return and exchange. Basically, you can return it and there's a return form. And then I also got their stickers. Oh, this is really cute. It says CandyLab. I'll put it on my laptop. Oh, so cute. So now let's open the products. Ooh. Wait, what is this? Guys, they're so cool. They gave me extra 2 cushion puffs and they also gave me extra silicone puffs. This is so cool and they're really cute. It says CandyLab. Oh my god, look at this! Guys, it actually reminds me of a K-pop album. So at the back, it says that you'll be getting the Amazing Essence Packed, and then you'll also be getting Lip Oil Honey. So this is like one package that you guys can order online. So I got Candy Amazing Essence Packed in shade number 23. And apparently this one has SPF 50 PA++. And I also got their Candy Lip Oil in Honey. And I think that one is supposed to be a little bit tinted. So yeah, let's open it and try it out, guys. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. I'm shaking. Okay, let's open it. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. Look at it, guys. It's so cute. Wait, why aren't you focusing? It's here. It's right here. Oh my god. So pretty. You see why I got this? They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And it also says open up for candy sweetness. Wow, I think they really did a good job on the packaging though. They basically only have 2 lines. So they have Essence Packed and Cushion line. Apparently the cushion is really good, but this one is supposed to be their best selling one. So I ordered this one, and if this video does well and if you guys really like this type of cushion reviews, definitely comment down below if you guys want me to do the other one. But oh my god, you guys, I can't. They're so cute. This is how the cushion looks like. Oh my god, so cute. This is how their lip oil looks like. I love how everything is red, and even the box is red, and I love how they came up with this like whole package line so you guys can get like cushion and also the lip product. This is genius, and I'm really hoping that the product will be really good quality and I'll like it. So first we're gonna try out CandyLab Amazing Essence Packed in number 23 Natural Marble, and this one has SPF 50 PA++ and claims to have anti-wrinkle. It has brightening and also it's really moisturizing. But I also heard online that this one has really good coverage, so let's try it out. So their puff is actually really cute. It comes with a raindrop shaped puff. It's also red. Everything is red. And inside, when you open it, it looks like this. It looks like a typical marble essence packed. So I don't know. Oh my god, guys. What? Are you serious? Usually when you open it, it's very sturdy, but this one, oh my god, I'm so disappointed. I'm scared like after I open this like a few times, it will like fall off. Moment of truth, it better be good. I think I need more. It has a little bit of brightening. It has brightening. So far, coverage is just okay in my opinion. It reminds me of my previous Holy Grail cream foundation. If you guys watch me from a long time ago, you guys know I really like my Mamonde Real Skin Founder. This one reminds me a little bit of that, but more moisturizing and less coverage. But I really like how it sits on my skin. It doesn't look cakey at all, and it looks really natural. I was debating if I should get number 21, but I'm actually really glad that I got 23 because it matched my skin perfectly. It looks like literally my skin but better. Ooh, I like it. I broke out like a few days ago, and this one doesn't really cover as much. You guys can see it still, right? So I would say the coverage for this product is light to medium. Oh my god, I saw the Facebook commercial on this, and the girl had really like broke out a lot, and then she tried to use this to cover it up, and everything like was covered. So that's why I actually got this, because I was sold from the commercial. But I think the coverage is like okay. I like how it sits on my skin. Or maybe my skin condition is really good today, but I really like how it sits on my skin. And usually cream texture foundation, if they are not that moisturizing, it looks really cakey right away on my skin because my skin is really dry. But so far I really like it. It reminds me a lot of the Mamonde Real Skin Founder, but more moisture. So really good stuff. Since that one is discontinued, I can use this one every single day now. Wow, my skin looks super healthy. I love it. I'm just gonna powder my forehead because I don't want my bangs to get oily. Just gonna powder a little bit here. I don't like my hair like getting sticky on this side because I know that it's an essence packed. By the way, I'm using powder for room powder fix. That's my holy grail. I hit pen on this already. I love it so much. This is my second one. Okay, now let's move on to their lip product. I gotta go real quick, so I'm gonna just put this one on. This is the Sweeter Than Candy lip oil. Oh wait, this is the Sweeter Than Candy lip oil honey. Okay, let's try it out. Ooh, it smells like it smells like honey, guys. Oh my gosh, it smells like honey. Doesn't taste like honey at all. Has no taste. Don't lick it, guys. I was expecting this to change, like the color, but nothing's happening. So I guess it's just a normal lip oil. But my lips look really full. I like it. Moisturizing, not sticky. I really like when lip oils are not too sticky, because when you're talking it gets really like, you know, it gets really sticky and it gets really uncomfortable, but it doesn't do that, so I like it. This is a really good winter like set in my opinion. I think if you want to just get the cushion, just get that, because I don't think the lip oil will be worth it to get because it's going to be summer soon. And you guys don't really need like a lip oil for the summer. You just need a standard lip balm and you guys are good. But I think for winter or fall, I think this would be a really good set to give it to a friend or like to just give it to yourself as a present. So yeah, that's just my opinion. So I'm gonna go now and I'll update you guys in a bit. Okay, before I leave, if you guys see changes on my lips, I just wanna let you guys know that I'm wearing lip water from Bia. Because I need a little bit more color on my lips, otherwise I'll look sick. So I'm just gonna apply that before I leave the house. This one is in color number 4, Bia lip water. Okay. I just need a little color so that I don't look sick. Okay. I'm ready. Let's go. Okay guys, this is an hour and a half or 2 hours later. It's actually pretty good. I like it. I don't see it being cakey at all, and it still look fresh. So I'll update you guys in a bit. For the lips, but I still feel like my lips is really moisturized. So yeah, so far lip product is still good, and I really like the cushion. Okay guys, I'm finally back home and it's around 6 p.m. and I just want to update you guys on my makeup. On camera, I think it all looks really good, but I noticed in person, after over 6-7 hours wearing this cushion basically settled on my smile line. As you guys can see, it settled on this area as well, and I also noticed that it made my pore looks really big. And yeah, that's the only thing that I have problem with this product, but other than that, it actually looks natural. But I don't think I'll be reaching out to this one a lot though. Maybe I didn't put enough, but I just feel like the coverage is kind of whatever. The packaging is really cute though, but other than that, I think the coverage is just whatever. It's okay. I'll rate this like on scale 1 to 10, 10 being like the best, 5.5. Their lip oil, on the other hand, remember I told you guys that I would recommend their cushion? At the end of the day, after trying it out, I recommend their lip oil better. If you guys are in need of really good lip oil, I would highly recommend it, because usually even when I wear like lip balm or lip oil, at the end of the day I tend to like peel off the dry part, but I don't see any dry part on my lips that are peeling off right now, and I didn't like peel it all the way out. So it's really good. It means it's doing really good job on moisturizing my lips, and my lips are usually really dry. So yeah, I'm really impressed with their lip oil. Their cushion is just whatever, so yeah, that's my verdict. 5.5 out of 10. That's all for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't. We can be friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong!